Hi, I was recently asked about a little mini globe sort of knife lanyard knot thing that I tied. Ashley calls it the Sailors Knife Lanyard Knot. I think it has a few other names too. I can't remember the number, but I'll put it in the description. Start with, in my case, I've got two lengths of 600mm cord. I'm doing mine in pairs, so it's a double one. Just center it, put it over your fingers, over your fingers like so, so it's hooked. Lay that top one down, make a loop, and lay the loop over that flat piece. And this one goes under that tail, over that one, under that central piece, and over the next one, so it's under, over, under, over. And that's your carrot bend. Now at this point, don't let it cross over anywhere, so you just go around and sort it all out. So it's all running parallel with no crossovers. That's pretty cool. Now because we've tied it in two pairs, we don't need to double it, so we're just doing a single version. You can double this. So you take this one, see how it's got a natural curve? That would be against the curve. This is the natural curve, so follow the natural curve around. Go behind that tail, the base there, behind the base and up through the center. Okay, same with this one. This one has a natural curve, so follow that natural curve round, go round that base and up the center. So that is basically a knot tied. Now you've just got to fair it up. So sort of squish it in with your fingers a bit. Keep those two in pairs so we can pull them. Now you'll always end up with two here that haven't pulled through, so you just feed them through. This is the other pair that hasn't come through, so feed them. Okay, that's the knot tied. Now it still needs a bit of fairing up, but we're going to do another little trick. So let me go and get my spike. Okay, now we choose which one of these we want. I'll choose the blue one because it doesn't stain as much. So then we basically just pull the white one through. I'll lead, there we are. And pull that down so it disappears, and then just take the slack out of it. Okay, that's basically it. I'm going to go through and fair it up a little tighter. Okay, that's pretty much done. Could probably fair it up a little bit more, but that's fine for now. You can do it tighter if you need. Okay, now the trick is to cut these off. Now, because it's not, these are kind of short leads now, that so I glue them. So push them into the knot. Sometimes you can leave those as tassels, just cut them and then let them fray and they'll be tassels. Okay, so that's, and then you just close that up. And that little bit of glue will hold those tails from pulling back out, so because they held them all together. And that's it. It's a fairly simple little thing, but they're quite good as zip pulls or as a simple little ID for something. You can actually, if you've got a zip pull, you can tie that around the zip pull so it's not so it's like permanently attached, or you can just yeah, cow hitch it on, but you probably won't with that short tag. I sometimes use these on USBs to give to clients when I finished a job. Okay, hope that's enjoyable. Thank you.